This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Juan Murcia. New construction building. This 2-bedroom floor plan features 786 square feet of interior space, comes fully furnished with smart home technology, and interiors by Meshberg Design. Includes fully built-out closets, integrated AV, contemporary lighting, Italian kitchen cabinetry, top-of-the-line appliances, top-of-the-line West/D, and Dornbracht Duravit bath fixtures. Enjoy downtown Miami views. Resort-style amenities include a swim spa, summer kitchen, rock climbing wall, full-height basketball and racquetball courts, fitness center, yoga studio, café, valet, on-demand housekeeping, e-bike charging, and 24/7 security. Downtown location near Miami World Center, Bayfront Park, and Miami-Dade College. For more information